बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। अब हम करने जा रहे हैं क्वेश्चन नंबर 8। ओके, ये हमारे पास कंडीशंस हैं कुछ और ये हमें पार्ट बनाना है। ओके, और ये कंडीशंस ये है कि हम जस्ट ये कमांड यूज़ करनी है और इसी ऑर्डर में यूज़ करनी है और इन चार कमांड्स के अंदर हमने अपना ऑब्जेक्ट पूरा बनाना है। तो लेट्स स्टार्ट टू आवर पार्ट नाउ। टॉप प्लेन, एडिट स्केच, draw a circle. The radius is dia is 20, radius is 10. Okay, now go to feature and exit the sketch plane. We have to draw a plane so that we can draw a sketch over that. Okay, so we have to give some reference. So that's the top plane and at the distance of 10. Okay, it's 10. The reference plane have to be lower than that sketch. To do that, I will flip that offset. Okay, now edit plane sketch. I'm drawing on plane. Okay, normal to. Now I have to draw the circle with the radius of 20. Sorry, with the die of 25. 25. Okay, fine. Now normal to. Now I have to draw this 90 and 20. Okay, first of all draw a construction line at the angle of 90. Make it construction geometry and draw two other lines. Okay, line, line, and the angle is 90. Dimension is 2 mm. And let's add some intelligent. Click this and click this, make it equal. Okay, fine. Now we have to give the dimension this and this. Sorry, again this and this. 45. Okay, it's fine. Now exit the sketch and again edit sketch. Click this sketch, edit, and trim it is. Okay, I'm gonna trim this or this or. Okay, now that's it. Exit, hide the plane. Now I have to loft. Okay, select the profiles, select this profile and select this profile. Okay, fine. Now go to the opposite side, click surface and go to shell. I'm gonna shell it off 1 mm. Fine, it's 1 mm. Look, it's got shell. Now I sketch here, normal to, draw to circle. Its dia is 10 mm. Dia and it's 9 mm dia. Okay, now draw a line from this to this. Okay, offset uh, 0.5, bidirectional as click this line. Okay, as we have to keep it of 1 mm, So I have kept one direction 0.5, so overall it's 1 mm. Now draw a line here and trim it all. Okay, I'll show you how to trim. Control select trim and then click trim and keep it clicking and then drag all the way around. Okay, then leave it. Then again click and then drag it. Keep it dragging which parts which you want to trim. Okay, okay, trim. I'm I have clicked and just dragging it. Now okay, it's running and it's obviously running. Okay, now go to feature, extrude this thing and up to surface. Oh, let it be blind and it's 10 mm. Okay, fine. Look, we have used only three commands, four commands, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, let's check reference plane, loft, shell, and extrude. Reference plane, loft, shell, and extrude. That's all. Thank you very much.